We live in an age built for comfort, warm beds, endless screens, food without effort, and yet something vital is dying inside us. The Stoics trained their minds by embracing what we avoid. They chose small hardships to keep their inner strength alive. Imagine your soft bed as a trap. It's not just rest, it's a habit that shrinks your tolerance for challenge. Seneca wrote of testing himself with scarce fare, not to punish, but to remember who he was without comforts. Today, convenience is everywhere. Instant food, instant answers, instant escape. The easier life gets, the less we stretch. Psychology calls it hedonic adaptation. We get used to pleasure. Dopamine moves the baseline, and gratitude recedes. So what did the Stoics do? Small, voluntary discomforts. The cold shower, the fast, the silence. Tiny shocks to the system. You don't need heroism. Walk barefoot once in a while. Feel the cold. Let sensation remind you you're alive and in control. Take the stairs. Skip the elevator. Turn off the phone for an hour. These are micro decisions that rewire willpower. Every time you silence a notification instead of reacting, you strengthen your mind's muscle, one rep at a time. Think of character like steel. It's forged by pressure and heat, not by being pampered. Small acts stack. Cold shower, a focused hour of work, a hard conversation. Together they build momentum and confidence. With each choice to face discomfort, a chain of impulse loosens. You gain freedom from what used to control you. You'll notice gratitude rising. Small pleasures become vivid again. Your energy returns. You remember purpose. Start today. Seek discomfort deliberately, not to punish yourself, but to awaken your potential. Comfort is easy. Growth is earned.